Good morning, Vida. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 2, solutions. Then starting with the definition, what is a solution? Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Homogeneous means the composition similar throughout. For example, salt plus water, sugar plus water. Here alloys is the homogeneous mixture of metals. So homogeneous mixture of any two or more component is called solutions. In our syllabus, there are mainly binary solution. Binary solution means homogeneous mixture of two components only. Out of these, one is known as solute and other is known as solvent. What is solute? The component which is present in small quantity is called solute. It is denoted by symbol B. And solvent, the component which is present in large quantity is called solvent. It will be denoted by symbol A. For example, in salt plus water, salt is a solute and water is a solvent. Then there are different types of solution. So depending upon the physical state of solute and solvent, there are following types of solution. For example, solution of gas in gas solution like air. Number 2, liquid in gas solution in which liquid is solute and solvent is gas. That is water vapor in air. Then solid in gas solution, dust particle in the air. Gas in liquid solution, cold drink, carbon dioxide dissolved in water in cold drinks. Liquid in liquid solution, alcohol plus water. Then solid in liquid solution, salt plus water. Gas in liquid, adsorption of gases on the solids. And solid in solid solution, alloys of metal. So these are the different types of solutions in which solute and solvent have different physical states. Solid, liquid as well as gases. Then comes how to measure the concentration of solution. Solution in water are called aqueous solution, and in which solvent is not water, they are called non-aqueous solutions. Like solvents can be benzene, CCl4 or CS2. Then comes the method of expressing concentration of solution. The concentration of solution is defined as the amount of solute present in a given quantity of solution. So there are different methods of expressing concentration of solution, in which number 1, percentage method, percentage by mass. It is defined as the number of grams of solute per 100 gram of solution. The formula percentage by mass of solute is mass of solute in gram divided by mass of solution into 100. This is what is called percentage by mass of solute. Then come percentage by volume. In case of liquid in liquid solution, this is taken. It is defined as the volume of solute in milliliter per 100 ml of solution. The mathematical formula is volume of solute divided by volume of solution into 100. Third is percentage mass by volume. Solid dissolved in liquid. It is defined as the mass of solute in gram per 100 ml of solution. It is mixture, mass by volume. Mass of solute divided by volume of solution. The formula is mass of solute divided by volume of solution multiplied by 100. Clear? Then fourth method is parts per million, ppm. Million means 10 raised power 6 means 10 lakh. So this method is used for the solution which are very dilute, in which the solute is present in very minute quantity, present in traces. So in this case, the concentration is expressed in ppm. ppm is nothing but ppm is defined as the number of parts of solute present per million parts of solution. मतलब solute ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ parts हैं, solution ਦੇ 10 lakh parts. Out of 10 lakh part of solute, how many parts of solute are there? So mathematically it is defined as the mass of solute divided by mass of solution multiplied by 10 lakh. That is called ppm. Then another method of concentration measurement is molarity. It is defined as the number of moles of solute per liter of solution. The formula is number of moles divided by volume of solution in liter. The number of moles ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ break ਕਰ ਲੈਣੇ ਆ WB by MB ਚ, ਤੇ volume of solution in milliliter. नीचे वाला 1000 ऊपर चला जाऊगा, तो formula of molarity comes out to be WB by MB into 1000 by volume in milliliter for solution, where WB weight of solute in gram, MB molecular mass of solute, and V is the volume of solution. Then units of molarity are moles per liter. Then comes normality. It is defined as the number of gram equivalent of solute per liter of solution, where 1 gram equivalent is nothing but 1 mole divided by valency of solute. Mathematically, how to solve the normality of solution? To use simple formula, normality is equal to molarity of solution multiplied by valency of solute. तो molarity आप ऑलरेडी कर ले, तो फिर normality की हो गया this formula of molarity multiplied by valency of solute. तो valency of solute की होंगी in acid HCl valency 1, H2SO4 valency 1, 2. The number of H positive ion given by acid is called its valency. Similarly, valency of base की है number of OH ion given by base. OH NaOH की valency 1, calcium hydroxide की 2. यहाँ फिर salt है तो valency of magnesium chloride की देखना है. magnesium के chloride ion दी valencies 2 ਤੇ 1 है तो maximum valency लेनी है. जिवें magnesium ਦੀ 2 है तो magnesium chloride की valency कितनी आ जाएगी 2. तो ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਮੋਲੈਰਿਟੀ ਲੱਭਣੀ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਿਰਫ ਵੈਲੈਂਸੀ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਿਊਟ ਨਾਲ ਮਲਟੀਪਲਾਈ ਕਰ ਦਿਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜੂਗੀ ਨਾਰਮੈਲਿਟੀ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ ਲਾਸਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮੋਲੈਲਿਟੀ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਡਿਫਾਈਨਡ ਐਜ਼ ਦ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਮੋਲਸ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਿਊਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੈਂਟ ਪਰ kg ਆਫ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਇਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਮੋਲਸ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਿਊਟ ਪਰ ਕਿਲੋਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਵੈਂਟ ਤਾਂ ਮੋਲੈਲਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਗੀ ਫਿਰ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਮੋਲਸ ਆਫ ਸੋਲਿਊਟ NB divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. So it is NB number of moles of solute by WA, W for weight, A for solvent, the weight of solvent in kg. ਇਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਸਪੈਂਡਡ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਕੀ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ NB ਤੋਂ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜੂਗਾ WB by MB ਤੇ weight of solvent ਨੂੰ ਕਿਲੋਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਕਿਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਲੈ ਲੈਣਾ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਸ ਤੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਡਿਵਾਈਡਡ ਬਾਈ 1000 ਉੱਪਰ ਚਲਾ ਜਾਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਮੋਲੈਲਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ WB by MB into 1000 upon weight of solvent in gram WA. And units of molality are moles per kg. That's all beta. Thank you for today.